Alright, cool. So today we are actually filming some rollers. I am trying out my new Movmax mount, which I'll actually show you here in a second. Let me see if I can pull it up for you without... Here we go. So we have the new Movmax mount. Like I said, I am creating an adapter. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I already have a mount prototype for this. And actually, I will show you that. We've already tested it. It does work, but I would not use a 3D printed one, only because the threads will actually strip out and like this is not as strong. So we're actually getting this CNC'd. I already have one in order and it should be here soon. So then I will show you guys this prototype in CNC mounted to this and mounted to the back here. All right, so I've been editing this video that I just shot and I totally forgot to mention some things on the Movmax arm. And I'll just go ahead and do that here since I'm not gonna go back outside and reshoot half of this. So a couple things right off the bat is this right here can be unscrewed, and this is what mounts the Osmo directly onto the arm. So this right here can be put on the bottom or the top, so you can mount the Osmo from the bottom or from the top. Now, there are some key things to note. This weight right here, you can loosen this and take these off. So there's a 100 gram and a 50 gram. If you're using the Osmo in the setting where it requires the extended battery, you remove the 50 gram weight. If you use the Osmo without the extended battery and you use the short adapter piece to screw onto here, you use both 100 and 50 gram. So these are not included in the instructions, and it's something that I personally had to look up and find on their website. So this is just a quick little note for you guys. So you guys don't have to go to the site and look it up. Now, another thing to note is when you're mounting this, you actually want this piece right here to be perpendicular to the floor, or this piece right here to be parallel. And what that does is it allows the camera to sit straight up and down, and so the gimbal doesn't actually have to work as much to stay stable. Now, realistically, it shouldn't matter, but I think that you should try to make the camera work as easily as possible and mount it completely perpendicular to the ground. For the suction, when you're suctioning, you want to push this all the way till that red line disappeared, and that's how it is secure. And to remove, you just press this and pull on the nip on one of the edges, and it completely comes off. So we have already gone out and filmed, and the Movmax is actually great. Helps with all vibrations. And so like if I can show you right here. Unfortunately, I'm vlogging with my Osmo, so you won't be able to actually see it, but we'll show you all the footage that I got from it. But we have Sal and his 340. We have Rudy with his 335, ZHP, and then we have a couple of Sal's friends here. Sal is currently shooting B-roll of his car, but we got to see it before he changes some stuff on it, I believe. It looks good. He has a turbo, or an upgraded turbo. I think he's on E85, but E50 blend, and I'm not sure what else he's on. Maybe we can go up and ask him for a moment. Sal, tell us some of your mods.
Let's see. Dynamic Autowerke Flowmax V2.5 plus door stage 2 high pressure fuel pump. Apex VS5 RSs, Souvenir GTS hood. I had a Turner Motorsport front lip. The car ate it on the highway.
Yeah, we weren't able to film it with the lip, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But next time, we'll get it next time.
Warranty.
Yeah.
So if you guys get a lip from that, you will have lifetime warranty, I think. What else have I done? Custom tuned by Motive on MHD, and then XHP Stage 3, Ross Racing V3 catch can, and VTA. What else have I done?
So
Downpipe, full Titanium Exhaust for my friend. Carbon fiber bits. Just like typical F30 girl, I guess.
And I gave them a little bit of a hint. You might be changing the wrap soon.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll see what.
It's gonna. I think it's gonna look cool. I might delay it a little bit longer just because of the looks that it gets. Because everybody knows Dynaco if you're into cars.
Yep.
I guess that's like the start of everything for everybody. You know, the cars movie. But yeah, the next wrap should be pretty cool. But we'll see when I put it on.
Cool. And then we have the M3 killer. So like M3's pull up. You know.
Yeah, it's X-Drive.
Ah, see, he's gonna gap you guys off the line. All right, so Rudy,
What up?
what do you think about his 340 over here, man?
Pretty awesome. Love the livery on it.
Hmm.
Love the color.
Is he faster
Love the
than you,
wheels.
or you know you're faster? I don't know.
No,
He said
he's
said
faster.
he's an M3 killer, you know. So
He's definitely faster. I have gone up against a 440 X-Drive and got walked after third gear.
hey,
Like it was
listen. Don't sleep on Rudy. He's got upgraded turbos he don't like to talk about. Don't sleep on him.
nothing.
He'll walk you around the track. He'll walk you around a
My
track.
car is set up for the track. Sebring, Daytona, no straight line stuff. I don't do that stuff.
Yeah,
But,
he's got fat tires over there. We
no meaty.
got some fat tires over there. What are these? 40 sidewalls?
265, 40 square.
Sheesh. 265 40 squared. Let's see this. I don't know if I have any B-roll, but if I do, I'll add it. But if not, here you go. But be sure to give him a follow, ZHP Rad. Like I said, this is not your typical 435. It is a special edition ZHP, which they only made 1,600?
They only made 100.
100?
50 in white, 50 in black.
Wow.
Five of the white ones with 6-speed manuals. So there's only 5 6-speed manuals in the HP package.
I mean, I was trying to convince him to buy an M, but this is sort of cool too.
Yeah. I just had 90,000 miles on it.
Listen, the Daily Driven, you need to be talking about this guy's car, man. One of 100. One of
He
100.
actually had one up in, he did one with somebody in Tennessee. I can't remember his Instagram right now off the top of my head. But his was a 6-speed manual.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. So we need to do one on the 8-speed, the Daily Driven Beamer Invasion. Let's hit Rudy up maybe. You can do a feature film on his car and what he uses it for, what the BMW community he thinks about it or whatnot. All right, so we're finishing up this video. I would like to thank everybody for liking, subscribing, commenting to my videos and to Instagram. But if you're new to the channel, be sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, click on the bell, and suggest what else you want to see. So till next time, peace.